Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to unlock iPhone screen time passcode. Firstly, open the settings. Just go to the settings app on your device. Now, tap on the screen time from the list. To change the passcode, just select change screen time passcode, then tap the options again. If you forgot your passcode, just tap on forgot passcode. Now, you need to enter Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID and password to verify your identity and set a new passcode. Once verified, you will be prompted to enter a new screen time passcode. This method only works if you set up your Apple ID for screen time passcode recovery when first enabling the screen time. If you didn't set up recovery, you might need to reset your device to remove the screen time passcode. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.